The night sky seems peaceful and serene, an endless canvas of stars twinkling gently. What if I told you that beneath this calm facade, chaotic dance is taking place, one that could spell disaster for our planet? Welcome to another episode of Exploring the What If. Today, we're diving deep into the science and speculation of what would happen if a star came too close to Earth. Buckle up, as this is going to be a wild ride through the cosmos.
Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a bustling metropolis of stars, each one hurtling through space at speeds of hundreds to thousands of kilometers per hour. These stars are not fixed in place, they are constantly moving, changing their cosmic neighborhoods.
Fortunately, space is incredibly vast. The distances between stars are so immense that collisions are extremely rare. However, stars don't need to collide with anything to cause havoc.
To understand why, we need to talk about gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts every piece of matter to every other piece of matter in the universe. The strength of this attraction depends on two things: the distance between the objects and their masses. In our solar system, the Sun is the heavyweight champion. It accounts for 99.75% of the total mass, dominating the orbits of planets, asteroids, and comets. But this wasn't always the case.
Billions of years ago, the solar system was a chaotic and dangerous place. Planets formed from countless collisions between smaller pieces of matter. Over time, a stable balance emerged, creating the orderly system we see today.
Today, most planets and asteroids have settled into stable orbits. The inner and outer planets, the asteroid belt, the Kuiper belt, and the Oort cloud all contribute to this delicate balance. But this balance can be easily disturbed. If another star were to come too close, its gravity could pull on everything in the solar system, disrupting the orbits of planets, asteroids, and comets. This isn't just a theoretical risk.
Some 70,000 years ago, a red dwarf-brown dwarf binary system passed through the Oort cloud, potentially sending a barrage of asteroids our way. These visitors from the Oort cloud could take up to 2 million years to reach the inner solar system. But a more imminent threat is Gliese 710, a red dwarf with about half the mass of the Sun. In about 1 million years, it will pass through the Oort cloud and become the brightest star in our night sky. This close encounter could disrupt the orbits of millions of objects in the Oort cloud, potentially triggering a new era of planetary bombardment.
While the chance of a star colliding with the Sun is astronomically low, close flyby could have devastating effect. If a star were to pass as close as the Earth is to the Sun, it could eject our planet from the solar system entirely. If Earth were ejected from the solar system, the consequences would be catastrophic. As the rogue star approaches, it would appear as a small orange dot in the sky, growing larger and brighter over months, eventually becoming visible during the day and outshining the moon. As the rogue star recedes, the Sun would grow smaller in the sky, causing temperatures to plummet. Humanity would face a final winter, with polar ice caps spreading, plants withering, and animals dying in droves. By the time Earth reached Mars' orbit, temperatures would have dropped to minus 50 degrees Celsius. From space, Earth would look like an icy moon, its blue-green surface turning pale gray-white. As global infrastructure collapses, people huddle together for warmth, counting the days until food supplies run out.
As Earth drifts farther from the Sun, temperatures would continue to drop, reaching minus 150 degrees Celsius. By the time it reaches Jupiter's orbit, the atmosphere would freeze, forming a thick icy layer over the planet's surface.
However, there is hope for humanity. We would foresee this event thousands of years in advance, giving us time to prepare. While most would perish, a few million could survive in massive artificial complexes powered by geothermal and nuclear energy. As Earth survivors adapt to their new circumstances, they might look for a new home. If Earth passes near a star with a habitable planet, we could attempt a fresh start. Space travel would be easier without an atmosphere, making it possible for the last survivors to leave Earth and settle on a new planet.
Thousands of years later, the descendants of humanity might tell legends about Earth's ancient past, of a mysterious icy planet drifting alone through space. Despite the challenges, the spirit of human survival and exploration would continue. The night sky may seem peaceful, but it hides many dangers. As we continue to explore and understand our universe, we must remain vigilant and prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into our universe.